Welcome to Basic Computer Literacy Questions and Answers, Episode 1. Question 1. What does CPU stand for? The answer is A, Central Processing Unit. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of an input device? The answer is C, keyboard. Question 3. Which key combination is used to copy text in Windows? The answer is B, Ctrl+C. Question 4. What is the main function of the operating system? The answer is B, to manage computer hardware and software. Question 5. What does HTML stand for? The answer is D, Hypertext Markup Language. Question 6. What does RAM stand for? The answer is A, Random Access Memory. Question 7. What does URL stand for? The answer is C, Uniform Resource Locator. Question 8. What does WAN stand for? The answer is D, Wide Area Network. Question 9. Which one is an example of a word processor? The answer is C, Microsoft Word. Question 10. What does ROM stand for? The answer is D, Read-Only Memory. How many of the questions were you able to answer correctly? Let us know in the comments section. All the same, thank you for watching. Please subscribe or follow, like and share for more episodes. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.